Hello everyone, my name is Fox and I will show you today how to install Linux on the Orbsmart AW-12L. The problem is, what I figured out is it's forced to boot Windows and you can't boot the USB stick, and I found a solution. Every time if I want to boot into USB stick, it doesn't happen because it was a black screen and it doesn't boot it into it. So I found one solution, and that's very important to understand it. I had a long time ago, not a mini PC, but if you want to go away from Windows and maybe the performance is better on Linux, then you can try to boot a Linux from some case. I will show you something and I hope it works well. On this stick here I installed it on SD card. It's really on a SD card. I installed Bohdi Linux and I will plug in into the mini PC. You see, by the way, you see the mini PC right now. Wait a minute. Oh my god. So I've tried a lot and I found something in my solution. I think it's the problem of the intercellular Jasper Lake. I think. Sorry, Gemini Lake. Sorry, access. The J4125. I think it's maybe a problem. I read it in a lot of Linux forums that they don't let them boot, or they let them boot from a USB stick. I didn't try a CD, so I don't have. I have a DVD drive, but for USB, but I don't use it. So I plug in the stick into the PC, mini PC. Now I will restart the PC. What I do, sorry for that, is turned on that, then I turned on off that. First of all, we need to boot in the BIOS. I push enter. I was searching for a solution to boot into Linux. I hope it can help to other mini PCs, so I found a solution that I never figured out in something else. If you go to chipset, then to command function, auth selection, disclaimer. Sorry for that. Disclaimer. I will show it. I will show it again. Main chipset command function. So the problem what I figured out is maybe it's in every American migrant's BIOS the same, but the problem is it's hidden selected. So if you push enter, you can switch to Intel Linux and push enter, escape, go to save and exit. Sorry for the non-professional version, but it helps, I think. Save yes. Push enter because the PC is rebooting right now. Go to save and exit. Select your UEFI, your USB stick, push enter, and voila, you can wait a second. The autofocus is worse. And you can boot into Windows. Linux, sorry. I don't know why this doesn't focus, but you see, it's Bohdi Linux. And now you can install Bohdi Linux. I will just boot him up. Sorry for the non-professional version, but I think I can't catch that on a capture card, so I was trying to make it on my smartphone and record it, and you will see it. So after boot up, we just wait. It's the first boot up. So you will see it's booting into Bohdi Linux, the new version, by the way. I figured that out because I was a lot of standing there and I was trying to install QFOS or the Q4OS, I don't know how to repeat it, and I have a big problem and I can't do anything, so we need German. I chose German. Keyboard layout. So let's go. And you see the Bohdi Linux boot, and we're into the Linux. Hello for you. That's all. And now, if you can double click, it pop-ups the installer. You see the clock, the smartwatch. I like the new Bohdi Linux, by the way. I like it. The Matroshka desktop. Yeah, you can say desktop. So now you have the installation stuff. Let it pick. So now you can install Linux right now. I will not do it because I was to try to show how to install Linux on the Orbsmart mini PC. Maybe it works for other mini PCs, I hope so. But if you struggle on that, maybe it can help. So in that case, I wish you a good day and thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and thank you for watching this little short tutorial.